Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to draw a stingray. The very first shape I'm going to go with is kind of looking like a torpedo. Okay, so as you can see, this will be the top half of his body that raises above his fins. Next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to add a small little line back here, a little bump, and a line right here. Okay. Next thing, I can go ahead and put in a triangle, a big one right here, and a small one right here. We can already see how this guy is forming just from these shapes. Triangle, triangle, oval, 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 oval. You see what I'm talking about when we're drawing shapes? So it works out. Now, next thing. I feel like these guys just, they are really cool looking underwater. I'm going to give him a different kind of eye than I usually give everybody else. Then here, that would be there. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect this top part of the fin here and make it look like it's being embedded into the side of his body. Then I'm going to erase this piece and you'll see how that looks right there. So I put in a little line here just to show the thickness of, the flap of his little wings, or the stingray wings. Next thing here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a thick line through here, and I'm going to continue this one across and to his barb right here. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and erase this, and notice that I didn't take my line and continue it up here. We want this part of the wing to be behind him. That's why it's smaller. So this one is closer, it's bigger up close, and then this one is smaller, so it's farther away. So then I go ahead and outline that one. And now, back here, I have the barb and the point. Now, what everyone always worried about stingrays is, it's this guy is our worry. If you ever examined what these things are, is what happens is if you were stung by this, it would fold back here, and then you have a piece of bone with some venom, I'm guessing, inside of it. And what it looks like is this dagger would, stick you, and then here, these points are rounded and curved. So when this barb enters, its prey or subject or defense, what it's doing is it's going in, but it's not meant to come out. So if you are ever stung by a stingray in the ocean or anything like that, never pull this out. Okay, you want to go straight to the hospital. So here is your stingray, and here's its dangerous fact about it. So have a good day.